The tire tool. The tire tool comes with a base to be mounted in a well-secured vise. There are 4 holes in the base and 3 pegs. The large peg is 5/8, the medium peg is 7/16, and the small peg is 5/16. We are demonstrating how to mount a 24x1 solid tire on a wheel. We will use the 7/16 peg as the axle to hold the wheel and the 5/8 peg to stretch the tire around it. You may want to put some spacers on the axle to lift the wheel up so the push rim won't get scratched. Then we put the pegs in the holes of the base to get them as close to the center and edge of the wheel, still allowing the wheel to turn. Then tighten them in place. Make sure the base is secured in the vise. You may need to reposition the base in the vise to allow for finger room. Put the tire on top of the wheel. Firmly hold the tire on the wheel, turning it so the large peg stretches the tire onto the wheel. Guide the tire onto the wheel. Once the tire is on the wheel, you may need to turn it a few times until it seats correctly. Tap the wheel off the pegs and inspect the tire to be sure it's all the way on.